Lincoln Digital Experience comes with Google Maps embedded in vehicle. Once your Google account is connected to your vehicle, Google Maps can help personalize your experience. For example, when you enter a turn on your vehicle, Google Maps may suggest destinations based on your prior driving habits and schedule. Google Maps is built into the vehicle system, and with Lincoln Premium connectivity, it can provide real-time traffic info, automatic rerouting to faster routes, and easy-to-find businesses, restaurants, and attractions. To begin, select Google Maps from the home screen or open the Apps drawer and select the Google Map icon. You can set your travel preferences by choosing the Settings button from the Map screen. You can search for a location either by manually inputting an address, touching the search bar to use the shortcuts for a point of interest, or you can search by talking to Google Assistant. Just say, "Hey Google, take me to," and then give an address or business name. Google Maps will find the address, then automatically start the route. The map should appear on the panoramic display as well as the center screen. If you prefer to use the center screen for other applications, the map will still appear on the panoramic screen until you arrive at your destination or cancel the route. You can change the map orientation perspective or north up depending on your personal preferences. The Lincoln Digital Experience is also compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto if you prefer. Other navigation apps may have to be downloaded on Google Play. Thank you for watching.